This is the floor in the legendary Sucky Hall Street. We're outside Marks and Spencer's, and the time being just now is 28 minutes past 4. I am Paul Thompson reporting with my co-anchor.
Hello!
This is my co-anchor. We have been wandering for the last hour.
I am fucking starving.
We are now going to wander Sucky Hall Street, and we are going to try to find somewhere that has food. If it doesn't have food, then we shall be going to Coatbridge via the McDonald's drive-thru.
Yeah, boy.
Thank you. If the taxi driver refuses, we will bribe him with 10 of our British pounds.
If taxi driver refuses, well, we'll get taxi to my house, where I will drive us through McDonald's drive-thru, even though I'm intoxicated.
I have to admit, my co-anchor is slightly intoxicated, but he's not completely intoxicated that he can't drive without being pulled. We have a seagull about to fly. The seagull has flown. The light is on.
What are you saying?
What are you saying?
Are you saying I'm not intoxicated?
We will try and test him with I stop. Put your legs on the front straight line, this one here.
Right.
And we'll ask you to walk in a straight line. Go. We clearly see that my co-anchor has been slightly intoxicated and does ballerina. We have... He's going for it, and the gymnastic man has successfully straddled a pole thing made of bricks. Unfortunately, that pole thing, in his imagination, he wishes it be a vagina. We have the street cleaners out. That is how early. That is how early in the morning it is. We have, in actual fact, still in Sucky Hall Street, with slight parts of rain. Weather report by... Sorry, excuse me 1 second to interrupt this broadcast. We have the weather report with Darren. And the weather in Glasgow is...
Shite.
There is the weather report with... They're my co-anchor. Now, Mr. McCabe, would you say that the weather is slightly cold? Costa is actually shut. And to be honest, the midnight walk is far past closed. We have Pound Mark.
You getting me on the Celtic shop, man?
This is the legendary Celtic shop. This is the Mecca of Glasgow.
I'm on the hoops.
This is the Celtic, otherwise known as Celtic. It's a football club sponsored by Tenants, and we are in Glasgow.
I'm on the hoops.
The police are right behind you, by the way. Let's just not draw any attention to yourself, because... Wait. A picture? And we have the end of the news.